Welcome back everyone. So today we're in Kent and we're doing walk number 12 from the Kent Outstanding Circular Walks book, and this is Mereworth Woods to West Peckham. It's an invigorating walk and it uses an attractive part of the Weald Way, climbing through Hurstwood and returning by West Peckham, where church and pub beside the village green make a perfect picture if cricket is being played. After this, there is a climb to the top of the Wealden Ridge before the return to Mereworth. Looking forward to this. Let's go. The walk starts at St Lawrence's Church in Mereworth, which was built for the 7th Earl of Westmoreland in the mid-1740s. It replaced the original church, which was located very near to Mereworth Castle, half a mile away, and is of Palladian style. The church is made from blocks of Kentish ragstone with dressed ashland Wealden sandstone used for the porch columns and tower. On the 25th of August 1959, the church became a Grade 1 listed building. Notable people that are buried in the grounds of the church include Charles David Lucas, who was the first person to win the Victoria Cross. On the 21st of June 1854, he was on board HMS Hecla as part of operations in the Baltic. A live shell landed on the upper deck with its fuse still hissing, and everyone was ordered to hit the deck. Lucas, however, ran forward and hurled the live shell into the sea, where it exploded before hitting the water. Thanks to his actions, no one on board was killed or seriously wounded. So this is the only part of Mereworth Wood that's owned by the National Trust. I think it's called Gover Hill or Gother Hill. And it's only a small section, but we should be coming up to a busy road junction in a minute. We need to go straight across, and that takes us into West Peckham. Just coming into view now, in the middle of the screen, is the unusual Palladium style spire of Mereworth Church, and that's where the walk finishes. Well, we've just arrived back at St Lawrence's Church. It was an amazing walk, really loved it. Thank you to all my subscribers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Higgsybear Outdoors. Bye!